Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Walker Bee Ranch. I'm excited because we're doing an unboxing and a review, and I'm really excited about this one because for the price, I think they got it right. So, without further ado, let's get into it. This is the Vevor 4/8 frame extractor, 4 deeps, 8 mediums. Okay everyone, look what came in today. What could it be? Well, that's a little bit of a teaser because I know. So let's see what we got. Okay everyone, what we got today is a unboxing video. And what is it? What could it be in this big box? Well, I know what it is. It's from our good friends at Vevor, and I was not quite sure what model we were going to get to look at, but what could it be? All right, so we're going to go with the whole unboxing here. We've got, this says 2, 3, or 4 frame electrical honey extractor. Look at the bolts in this bag. And honey gate. We got legs here. It's motorized. Look at that, a motorized extractor. See if I can, I don't know how I feel about the legs going through there like that, but hey, I'm gonna try to not tear this packaging up, because we may do something great with this. Let's see. A little bit of extra foam in here, a little foamy action. Let's just take the gate for a second and the legs out. Set those in here and drop them everywhere. All right, so look at that, tangential / radial extractor. So this should be 4 deep, 8 medium. I'm trying to keep the packaging pretty acceptable, but our good friends over at Vevor, oh look at that, oh it's heavy. It is pretty heavy. So let's see if the box will even hold it. Probably not. So I'll tell you what, that's pretty strong stainless there. Look at that. So pretty simple. Looks like you got 2 legs, or 2 bolts per leg, going through a slot on the side, and a single honey gate for your honey gate. All right, right off the rip, looks like we're missing 1 bolt here. It could be in the pack, so I'm not too sweating that right now. But right out of the gate, missing 1 of these nuts are missing. Looks like we got some panels that go on here, 1 on each side. It's not bad. I'm actually quite impressed. This is better quality than the other one that I had purchased off of eBay. This is this is thicker stainless than the other. Very nice. It's very nice quality. I'm impressed. Let's get some of this other stuff undone here and see what we got. I'll try to be careful. Careful with this. That's just shrink wrap. That's not really tape. It's more of a shrink wrap type of material. And threw it on the ground. Trying to keep all this stuff here together. Let's put the razor back together so I don't stab myself in the pocket. And nice little cord, not real long, probably 6 feet or so. Hey, that's not bad. It's not terrible. I like that. And then that just covers the motor. That's pretty nice, actually. This is a lot nicer than the one that I purchased for myself for $300+ on eBay. You know, I'm not paid to do this review, but they did send me this extractor. Right here, if you look on the inside, this is important. Let me see if I can show it to you. This is important. This little piece right here in the middle is a it's almost like a silicone, this red piece, where it that's like a coupling. So you got to keep this basket very tight, but it does allow you could take the motor off very easily by removing this and loosening that one bolt down here, and you can take this out, take the basket out. Makes it easier to clean. So I do like that. We'll put it together and see what we come up with. All right, so we got the Vevor. Eight frame or 4-frame extractor. So let me show you here what we got. And I'm gonna grab a couple frames because I've got some sitting right here. I'll grab a couple of these since most people run wooden frames. So why it's called a 4x8, right? So there's basically four chambers in between these rods. Now I've kept this basket with the zip tie on it so it doesn't move around for a specific reason, so I can pack it back up. So this, you would put 4 frames in like that in the basket to draw your honey, or spin your honey out, sorry. And or you would take medium frames, which I don't have a medium frame here, but I'll get one for you. So let's see what we got. Put these back where I got them, over here. Medium frame. You know what? I might have medium frame in the house. So let me see. Medium frame. Medium frames. Where are you at, medium frames? One. Ugh. I'm gonna hurry hurry up before my wife beats me for having the door open and letting bees in. So, close that. It's a beautiful day out, so I decided to bring this outside and do this. And you can put 8 medium frames in as so. So 8 mediums, 4 frames tangential. So if you ran a deep, you'd run it like that. Then you'd have to spin this around, right? The deep would have to be spun around and to do the other side. But I will tell you, it looks like a fine piece of equipment for the price on it. It's a really nice stainless steel tub. I actually had one that was a lot like this that I outgrew. Now, if you look on the legs, you'll see there's 2 sets of holes. So if you need this to sit down more and not as tall, you just take the bolts out, move these legs up, and bolt them back in. So that's pretty good. I like that they gave you an option, right? That might even stabilize it a little bit better. I'm not gonna plug this one in. And the reason is, if you watch this far to the end of the video, you'll know that I just went over 2,400 subscribers. So I thought, what a better way to do it than giving away an 8-frame extractor. So if you want to win the 8-frame extractor, you have to come on our live stream tonight, or let's say next Tuesday. Next Tuesday night we'll do the giveaway, because that gives everybody a chance to watch this video when it gets uploaded, because we have a live stream tonight but we do a live stream every Tuesday night at 8 Eastern, 7 Central, but it's too soon to do this one. So we'll do this giveaway. Now, a couple things to note. They were thoughtful enough to send you another gasket for the inside. That is great. I'm gonna put that inside. This was missing one of these nuts, so you need to find a nut to put on there. It actually will probably still stay down because it's got 3, but if you can find one of these nuts to fit there, perfect. Was not in the box. It's got 2 plexi lids, but I didn't take the you can flip them around if you have a preference on how you need it set. Just swap them around, but that's nice 2 plexi lids. So it's a nice extractor. For me, for the money, like I said, I'm not paid to do a review, but you can get this powered extractor for less expensive than some hand cranks out there. So if you've got a few colonies, this would probably be a great addition at Vevor. I will have a link, if you like this extractor, that you can order yourself one from Vevor, and we will, the link will be in the description of the video. So I think I'm not sure the percentage right now, but the last one was 5% off. I'm sure it's probably around 5%, maybe more, I don't know, but it came really quickly to me, and I'm gonna box this back up for the lucky winner. So just let me know how you like this in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next episode. Thank you.